Remember, remember the 5th of November. Gunpowder, treason and plot. There is no reason why the 5th of November should ever be forgot. Welcome along, everybody, and the 5th of November is as good an excuse as I can think of to get together, support charity, and celebrate 17 years of XpatLoop in Budapest.
When marimba rhythm starts to play, dance with me, make me sway.
Ladies and gentlemen, great to see you all here this evening. A huge thank you to XpatLoop and to all of the sponsors this evening for a fantastic event.
But I would like to say that this party doesn't happen for more than 10 years, as Liam rightly said, without the help of an awful lot of people.
So, my name's Liam Crow, and I'm the marketing director for First Med. We've been a sponsor for this event for 10 years or so.
This is a charity event this evening, so what I want you to remember as we go into the evening is to dig deep. Those are two words that I want to have you ingrained in your brain this evening.
Long before it begins.
This is what happens when beautiful people meet in a beautiful venue, and I would like to open this fantastic event on behalf of Marriott. Thank you very much. Enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you love the good music and you love dance, just come to the dance floor and dance with me. Other dancers may be on the floor, dear, but must we see only you? Only you have the magic technique. When we sway, I go weak.
The Hungarian dish of the year is a surprise cake for the 17th anniversary of XpatLoop.
Make me feel as only you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now. Well, marimba rhythm start to play.
Here we are, to quote Henry V on St. Crispin's Day, we few, we happy few, we band of brothers, and we have got some fantastic auction prizes.
Sway with ease. When we dance, you have a way with me. Sway with me, stay with me.
150, we have 160, 170,
Do I see 220? 220. Do I see 230? Do I see 290,000? Do I see 290,000 for the bike? 775 it is. Going once. Going twice. Going 3 times. 775,000. Good man!
Well, rhythm, stay with me. Stay with me. Sway with me.
So thank you for your presence. Thank you for your enthusiasm. And thank you for your contributions. We really appreciate it. And we look forward to seeing you here next year. Thank you so much. Woo! Good night.